Modes. Noise Vibe Bluetooth speaker comes with various modes that let you enjoy music just the way you like it. You can change or shuffle between different modes by short pressing the power button. TWS Mode. The TWS mode connects two Noise Vibe speakers together to give you the stereo sound effect. Turn on both the speakers. Make sure that no device is paired with either speaker. Press the plus and minus button together on one of the speakers until the blue LED blinks, indicating that the speaker is in pairing mode. Once the speakers are successfully connected with each other, the master speaker will blink blue, and the slave speaker will have purple LED constantly on. Now turn your device's Bluetooth on, search for Vibe, and select to pair. To exit the TWS mode, press the plus and minus buttons together on one of the speakers. Auxiliary mode. Plug the 3.5mm audio cable into the aux port, or short press the power button to switch to aux mode. Note: flashing green LED indicates the aux mode. TF card mode. Insert T flash card in the port or short press power button to switch to TF card mode. Note: the flashing green LED indicates the memory card mode. FM radio mode. Short press the power button to switch to FM mode. The flashing purple LED indicates the FM mode. To scan FM stations, long press the play/pause button. You can insert the aux cable as an external antenna to enhance the FM signal. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.